students. I hope all are you good. Now let's start unit in chapter number 1, plant adaptation. Plants of adaptation to have them survive, live and grow in different area. Okay, these adaptations might make it difficult for the plant to survive in a different place. Okay, now read the descriptions and in the plants you can pick your answer from the blue box on the next page. ठीक है, यानी कि प्लांट एडेप्टेशन क्या अडॉप्ट करते हैं उसके बारे में हमें यहाँ पे जानना है. This plants get its name from the fact that it literally comes back from the brink of drying up. It can survive long periods of heavy drought by curling up, appearing dead. As soon as it gets a little water, it uncurls and reopens. तो ये जो है जहाँ पे सूखा पड़ता है ये वहाँ पे ही सर्वाइव कर लेता है. ठीक है, तो कौन सा पौधे होंगे? रीसेलेक्शंस फर्म. Farms. Okay. Number 2 is this tree has a lifespan of around 200 years and is a part of the lily family. ठीक है, कि लिली फैमिली का हिस्सा है. इट हैज अ रूट सिस्टम. इसका रूट सिस्टम होता है विच कंसिस्ट ऑफ 2 रूट्स. द डीपर रूट सिस्टम कैन हैव bulbs विच स्टोर वाटर अप टू 30 feet अंडर द सोइल. तो ये कौन सा ट्री होता है हमारा? Number 3. This tree survives in the harsh, drier regions. बहुत सूखी जगहों में ये सर्वाइव कर लेता है. साउथ वेस्टर्न यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स एंड मैक्सिको बिकॉज इट हैज अ huge swollen trunk, base that stores a lot of water, and thin and long leaves with a small leaf surface that help to control the loss of moisture. ठीक है, तो ये देखिए देखने में भी कैसा है, इसको बोलेंगे एनिफेल फूड ट्री. Okay, number 4. This parasitic plant lacks true roots but have root-like structures. ठीक है, स्ट्रक्चर की तरह इसकी रूट्स होती हैं. जाने buried in the branches of a tree, it depends upon the tree to anchor itself and absorb water and nutrients from its host. It has bright, large, built, pollinated flowers. Birds also disperses seeds by eating its berries and depositing the seeds into the branches of other trees. Okay, then देखते हैं क्या नाम है इसका. दिस वन इज मिस्टलेट. ओके, MISTLETOT. Number 5. These husk trees have green, glossy and elliptical leaves. Older trees had used aerial roots that can dangle down from great heights. देखने में पता चल रहा है this is banyan tree. Most of the famous bromeliads, leaves and ferns fall in this category of plants that live on the surface of other plants, especially on the trunk and branches of the coasts. They grow on trees to take advantage of the sunlight. Then ये होता है एपीफाइटस. This one is Atrophytus. Now number 7. These trees grow in the tropical deltas. Tropical deltas and along ocean edges and river estuaries. They have wide spreading stiff roots to stay erect in a tidal mud and trap nutritious organic matter. So this one is mangroves. थोड़ा सा क्लियर देखे mangroves. MANGROVES. Okay. Now last one. These stars are around 10-15 centimeter tall and have one flower per stem. हर एक तने पर एक फ्लावर होता है. These flowers follow the sun and the cup shape of the flowers had touched the sunlight. They are formed in the arctic regions. तो इसको हम नाम देंगे this one arctic poppy. Arctic poppy. Okay. Now let's come to the next chapter. Very interesting. Like pseudo. Okay. Sure. Wonders of the bird. Chapter 2, Geographical Wonders of the Bird. The bird is a masterpiece of God which is packed with astonishing and inspiring wonders. वो तो है word में. Once you come across with these natural marvels, natural beauty will take your breath away. Now, can find the answer, the clue given below. Write them down in the blanks. Chine. Number 1, this one is Gangotri. Now find it. Gangotri. This one. Okay. Now, second, Old Faithful. This one. Okay. Now, third is Grand Canyon. Where is this? Okay. Next one is fourth. Stalagmite. Yes, this one. Stalagmite. This one. Okay. 4. Number 5th is Cotopaxi. Where is this one? Okay. Number 6. This is Atacama. Where this is. Number 7 is Stardalite. This one. Okay. Number 8. 7 is done. Now number 8. Tuticaca बोलते हैं इसको. ठीक है. This one. This one. Number 9. What is this? Bora Bora. It's Bora Bora. There. This. Okay. Then 10. Giant's Causeway. This one. Giant's Causeway. Okay. Interesting. Now next. ग्लेशियर. यहीं पे जैसे हमने ये यहाँ पे ढूंढे हैं तो हमें क्या करना है, इनको इधर फिल करना है. A glacier located in Uttarkashi district, Uttarakhand, India, reaches the source of the river Ganga, Gangotri. Okay. Second is Old Faithful. Third is unspectacular canyon carved by the Colorado River in northern Arizona, Grand Canyon. Number 4, a cave formation or deposit on the floor of limestone cave formed as the water dips from the सीलिंग ऑफ द केव एंड लीव्स टिनी डिपॉजिट्स ऑफ डिसॉल्व्ड लाइमस्टोन। आगे देख लेते हैं हमने जहाँ पे सॉल्व किया था। स्टेलेमाइट, टिल्ट, stalagmite. Number 5, one of the world's highest continuously active volcanoes found in the Andes Mountains of South Africa, Cotopaxi. This one is Cotopaxi. Number 6, this desert in South America is considered to be one of the driest desert in the world. सबसे संसार की सबसे सूखा हुआ वो है ये रेगिस्तान। तो क्या नाम है इसका? एटिकावा। These cave formations are limestone deposits that had from the cooling of limestone caves stalactite. STALACLIT. Number 8. Located at approximately 3,800 above sea level on the border of Bolivia and Peru. This is considered to be the world's highest commercially navigable lake. तो वो कौन सी लेक है? Tuticoa. Titicaca, a volcanic island part of the Society Island of French Polynesia in the Pacific Ocean, surrounded by a lagoon and a barrier reef. Its center are located the Twin Peaks Mount Bahia and Mount Otame. This is Bora Bora. Now last one is this cluster of column cliffs created by successive flows of lava is located in the northern coast of Northern Ireland. It is a great natural wonder of the United Kingdom. It is a giant's causeway. Now we have to come next chapter. Ocean Kingdom. Chapter number 3. Now, 2/3 of our planet is covered by oceans. These oceans and their coastlines are amazingly rich in marine life. Can you identify these marine species? Okay. A 10-leg crustacean, it can walk sideways and lives in the ocean as well as on the land. Its exoskeleton protects it from predators besides providing support. It's a crab. Second, this deep sea dweller has 99 producing organs along its body, especially in its belly. Its bioluminescent organs light up as it swims through dark surroundings, helping to attract and trap prey. This is lentil fish. लाटिन की तरह होती है ये जो रोशनी देती है. Lentil fish. Number 3. It has streamlined body full around the middle and narrowing to a paddle shape. एक पैडल की तरह शेप है इसकी. With its wrinkled grey brown sponge skin, it resembles the walrus. तो क्या कहेंगे? ये है manatee. Okay, number 4. This is shark. This strong survivor is believed to have surfed through our oceans even before the dinosaur walks on the earth. जब डायनासोर थे तब से है. Its skeleton is made of cartilage, which is a tough fibrous substance. Its streamlined body shape helps it to glide smoothly through the water. It contains 5 to 7 gills, which is used for respiration. This is shark. Number 5. Its body is composed of a bell-shaped body, jelly-like substance that encloses its internal structure. Its tentacles are covered with stinging cells that sting or kill other animals. The sting is often used to attack and catch prey or as a defense mechanism. This is a jellyfish. Number 6. This is the largest fish in the sea. Its favorite meal is plankton. This creature has a filter that sticks out its jaw and passively filters everything in its path. तो क्या है ये? Whale shark. Number 7. Very interesting. This one range is colored from brown to orange to pale. ये color change करती है अपने. Its body consists of a disc with a mouth in the center of the underside and a number of radiation arms or rays. ठीक है? Most of them can grow another arm if they lose one. This is starfish. Number 8. Also known as swellfish, blowfish, fugu, and glowfish. It is characterized by its ability to puff up to about twice its normal size. ठीक है? By gulping water, different parts of its body such as liver, muscles, skin, and ovaries contain a poisonous substance. This is a puffer fish. Number 9. Its two hard shells and a soft body make it a well. It stays mostly on the sea floor, squirting water out of its shells by rapidly opening and closing them. And this is scallopfish. And last one is number 10. They are the largest molluscs on earth. They can grow to reach about 1.2 meters in length. ठीक है? And can weigh more than 2 to 6 kg, 226 kg. They live in the warm waters of the South Pacific and Indian Oceans. This is giant crab. Now, chapter number 4, study of forest. This is study of forest. Now, start. Forests are communities of living organisms characterized by the presence of trees that have symbiotic relationships with each other and the physical environment. Okay, then read the clue given about different kinds of forests and choose the correct answer from the clue box. तो ये clue box है, यहाँ से हमें जो है correct answer choose करनी है. So no. So let's start. This forest in California provides 60% of the state's drinking water, and it is it important carbon sea for the entire planet? Unfortunately, it is threatened by pests, fire, urbanization, and mining interest. This is Sierra Nevada. This. Number 2, this famous red forest in Thailand is said to be over 160 million years old. 160 million year old. Now this one is this khao sok. Number 3, the legendary home of Robin Hood. This forest in England is famous for its wildlife and nearly 1,000 ancient oak trees. And this one is Sherwood Forest. Okay, now 4. These forests are found in cool, rainy areas. Here, the their trees lose their leaves in fall autumn and grow new leaves in spring. ठीक है, ये वो पेड़ है जिसकी पतझड़ में पत्तियां झड़ जाती है. स्प्रिंग जो अच्छा मौसम आता है बसंत का, उसमें इसकी जो है पत्तियां वापस आ जाती है. दिस इज deciduous forest. Fourth. Number 5. What to? Okay. Chal, the scientific study of forest species and their interaction with the environment is referred to as what? This is forest ecology. Okay. Forest ecology. Number 6, these forests are dominated by pine and spruce trees. These forests have prolonged winters and get rainfall between 10 and 20 inches. Boreal forest. 6. No. चलिए, this one is chapter number 5, at a great risk. कुछ पिक्चर्स यहाँ की दी हुई हैं. ठीक है, देखते हैं. इनको हमें ये बजवर्ड्स भी कंप्लीट करने हैं, जो इनमें भी हमें ये फिल करना है. चल, एट अ ग्रेट रिस्क. नंबर was all get or number 1 is this is the light look like chimpanzee but this species is different. ये दूसरे प्रजाति का है. तो क्या है ये? ORANGU. ओके. नंबर 2, व्हाट इज दिस? ये कैट है लेकिन ये दूसरी स्पीसी थी, दूसरी जाति से है. ओसियोलो. OCEOLCEOCELOT. Okay. And third one is horns. This is horns. Okay. Number 4 is Siberian. 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 And number 5 is Numbat. This one. NUNBAT. Numbat. Okay. Now number 6. What is this? Number 6 is sheep. CHINU. Sheep. Okay. Number 7 is IVORY. Ivory. This one is. Now number 8. Crossbox. Number 8. Learn Dugong. GONG. ओके. तो यहाँ पर भी हम इसको पीछे जो हमें मैच बॉक्स दिया हुआ है पीछे क्रॉस बॉक्स जो ये इसको देख के ही हम वहाँ पे फिल करेंगे. ठीक है. द एंडेंजर्ड स्पीसीज इज द ओनली ग्रेट लिविंग इन द ट्रॉपिकल रेन फॉरेस्ट ऑफ बोरेनो एंड सुमात्रा. तो व्हाट इज दिस? दिस इज ओसीबोट. Okay. Number 2, the medium-sized cat was once very valuable for its fur, but is now protected by law. What is this? This one is? No, this is wrong. This is aumenta. And this one in OC. This is OCE, looked. Okay, now next. Rhinos are hunted for this horns. Number 4, this species of tiger is the fewest in the world, Siberian. Siberian. Number 5, this now endangered pouchless marsupial lives in the open woodlands of Western Australia. This is numbat. Number 6, this animal is found in Tibet and is hunted for its fleece, which is known as satush. This is chim. Number 7, elephants are poached as their tusks contain ivy. Number 8, referred to as the sea cow, this endangered mammal lives in the sea. What is this? This is the ong. I hope all of you enjoying this chapter. Now can go in next chapter, living in harmony. चलिए इसको रीड कर लेते हैं ना. Living in harmony. Explore nature and you will find that all living things can share close bonds. They are independent and happily so. Meet some organisms that enjoy a symbiotic relationship. They work together to benefit from each other. Now, number 1, the spider crab lives in a shallow areas of the ocean floor. A greenish brown algae lives on the crab's back, making it blend with the environment, thus keeping it safe from its predators. While the algae gets a comfortable place to live, the crab gets camouflaged. The goby used to shrimps burrow for protection from predators. It also acts as eyes for the pistol shrimp. The bopping was aboard the burrow, feeding and interacting with the other gopis. Meanwhile, the shrimp uses its ability to stay in constant contact with the gopi's tail by searching for food. If a predatory fish approaches, the goby flicks its tail several times, alerting the shrimp to retreat into the burrow. At night, the two rest together in the burrow. ये अपने को बचाने के लिए ये खुद उसकट्ठा करके उसमें छिप जाती. ठीक है. The tiny parasites which are found in many ocean fish are very dangerous for their host fish and have the potential to cause many for fish mortalities. ठीक है. Why these parasites are very dangerous to the reef ecosystem? Thinner races really on the then is their stable primary source of nutrients and food. Ox speakers. What is this? Are birds that ride out rhinos or zebras. ठीक है. zebra के और rhinoceros के उस पे बैठी रहती है. देखा होगा आपने उसके horns पे या उस पे. Eat ticks and other parasites that live on the host skin. The ox packers get food and the host left pest control also when there is danger from approaching predators. The ox speakers fly upward and hiss to alert their host of possible dangers. Next one is aphids, or small, soft-bodied and defenseless insects that feed on plants. Ants part a colony of aphids admit the waste plants from the body of the insect. In return, they protect the aphids from predators and parasites. In some cases, ants and 10 aphid colonies almost like ranchers and their character not only protecting the aphids but also moving them from plant to a plant. Honey methods. Very dangerous. Use their large and powerful claws to open the hives where they feed on the honey but are careful not to harm the larve. Honey badgers have a symbiotic relationship with the honey guide bird. This bird leads the badger to a honey source. Okay, now quiz time. Question number 1. Certain bacteria live in the intestines of human help them to produce vitamin A. And second, what is common? What is commonalism? This is one species benefits and the other is not affected all. What is the most common form of mutualism? This is hereditary symbiosis. Why is symbiosis is important? It allows ecosystem to overlap and become dependent on each other. Yes, this is key. Now, come in next chapter. Animals adaptation. Unit 1, chapter 7, animals adaptation. Okay, chaliye. An adaptation is a way an animal's body helps to survive or live in its environment. Can you identify these animals? Put in the boxes to mind them. This member of the dog family can change its color. Okay? Its fur is white or grey blue during the winter and grey brown or grey during the summer, helping it camouflage its long bushy tail, also called sweep, helps it to change direction quickly and keeps its feet and nose warm when it curls up to sleep. Is this Arctic fox? CP Arctic fox. आग की तरफ लेने वाली डोर दी है ये बट्समैन सी ठीक है नाउ found in the rivers of eastern and central Africa, this animal is regarded as one of the most ferocious animals in the continent. It secretes a substance from its skin popularly known as blood sweat. इसकी बॉडी ऐसे लगती है जैसे ब्लड आ हो which it's the natural system and protects it from sunburn. This separation, however, is neither blood nor sleep. It prevents the growth of disease-causing bacteria. And this one is hippopotamus. Hippo. Oh. Dog. Okay. Now, next one. They are one of the 6 biggest kinds of snakes in the world. They can grow up to 4 to 6 meters in length. The largest ones are always females. Their hinge jaws can separate, which allows them to swallow larger prey, almost 4 to 5 times larger than their head. Burmese python. Okay, number 4. This lizard has a skin flap which looks like a frill encircling its neck, which it can raise suddenly where threatened to surprise its enemy. This can make its head look several times its normal size. Free lizard. Frill lizard. Found in the tropical rainforests of South and Central America, this sluggish but curious mammal can be quite airy at times. Its long forelimbs, which curved claws, help it to cling to trees. Some species of this animal have here that lacks a greenish algae gone on them. The algae provides them with camouflage and essential nutrients. This is sloth. Number 6. These frogs range from less than 1 inch to around 2.5 inches in body length. They all vary in their colors and patterns. The beautiful coloring of their bodies are warning to predators that they are poisonous in certain cases. Their patterns also help them to camouflage in their surroundings. So what's the name is this? Poison dart. Poison dart frog. Okay. This animal with black and white strips on its face is the fastest boring mammals. खोदने के लिए बहुत अच्छा जानवर है. During the cold winter months, its body temperature does not become as low as that of some other animals. It spends most of the day sleeping and night actively digs out their hibernating animals and divorce. मतलब ये दिन भी सोता है और रात को अपना काम करता है, रात को ही जागता है. तो इसका नाम है BA badger. ADGER. Number 8. This marine mammal lives in water and one ice in Antarctica. It can use its strong canine teeth to dig breathing holes in the cracks in this ice. It can also dive underwater and remain there for over an are hunting for fish, squid, and other marine animals. It can see well in dim light and uses its whiskers as a sense organs of touch. So which fish is this? VEDDELSEALC. Weddell Sea. Adventure of Antarctica. Unit A. Chapter number 8. Adventures of Antarctica. Next come the topic. Antarctica on average is the coldest, driest and windiest continent and has the highest average elevation of all continents. ठीक है. Fry this quiz on the coldest, windiest, highest, driest यानी कि ठंडा, हवाला, ऊंचा, सूखा, lowliest of the continents. तो हमें सर्च करना है. तो अंटार्कटिका is in the southern hemisphere. Southern hemisphere. The biggest glacier in the world is the Lambert Glacier. Which glacier? Lambert. Number 3. The first explorer to reach the South Pole was. Who is the first explorer to reach the South Pole was Ronald Amundsen. Number 4. In the Ellsworth Mountains, in the highest mountain in Antarctica. So what is this? Vinson Messel. Rocky peaks of a ridge or a mountain exposed through an ice-filled or glacier of course lunatics. Okay, now question number B. Take write the sentences that are true and cross the ones which are false. Seals are found in both the Arctic and Antarctic. Yes. The polar bear is the largest animal in Antarctica. Yes. Temperatures in Antarctica are generally colder than in the Arctic. Yes. The native-land fauna in Antarctica is completely invertebrate. Yes. A white-tongued is an Antarctic weather condition in which heavily falling or blowing snow result in poor visibility. Yes. Choose the correct answer to these questions. Jetto, Eric, and Emperor are kinds of penguins. Who navigated the first flight over the South Pole? This one is Richard Ware. Killer whale is actually kind of dolphin. The commonest land animal in Antarctica is penguins. The native people of Antarctica are called. Antarctica has no native people. Okay. Now next. Though the living condition in Antarctica are troublesome, the plants and animals living and around the cold continent. Look at the pictures below and name these with the help of words given in the clue box. चलिए, number 1, this is krill. Okay. Number 2, ये कौन सी है? ये है balin whale, bali whale. This. This is for sea. And number 4, this is South Polar. This is South Polar. Okay, and this is Pansit, Emperor Panlin. Fine, Emperor Panlin. Okay, ये यहाँ पे mention हुआ. Now, last one is Sea Leon. 6. 2. Number 1 is great. I hope you all are enjoying these chapters. Thank